Alright, folks, to be a friend of this world is to be an enemy of God. The devil is truly in the details. He is in the woodwork. If you pay close attention, open your eyes, you can find him. He's everywhere. The enemies in this world have set up things all around you. Just look. God is opening many eyes right now so that you can see things that have been hidden right in front of your own eyes. Those that follow the ways of Cain, Tubal Cain, Lucifer, who've turned things upside down. They work in the dark, in the secret, behind closed doors, doing things of evil, working against you. They're your preachers, your neighbors, your friends. They'll smile in your face. They act just like your best friend. But in the dark, they work with the agenda of the enemy. They are everywhere. This is Cain, Lucifer. As you can see, the serpent, the snake, they are one and the same. If you notice, out of his mouth and over his head comes a snake. And his hand also rests upon the serpent. And you can see the tongue coming out of the mouth of the snake. To the right of him, you'll see the snake in his hand. But if you look at it from left to right,